Everyone, Nick, First Class Home Inspections. We are on the roof of a home built in 1975, recently remodeled. They don't look like they did much for the repairs on the roof because it probably had been replaced before they took it, but we found something that we need to have addressed, and let's take a look. So we have this vent pipe flashing installed. The problem is there's no pipe. So whatever they did prior, they removed it. So this goes in directly down into the building materials, so as rain comes in, it's going to go into the roof and cause water damage. So we need to have this area replaced and removed and sealed over, and I got a couple other items I'm going to show you. So down here, this area is kind of a rolled type material, modified bitumen. There's several different names for it. Covered elastomeric coating. You can see here it's deteriorating. So this is going to be conducive to leaks. This is over the garage. You can see some water ponding, and when they added this, I'll go around the corner here. You can see it's just a flat roof. You can see some of these seams that are popping loose in here. And they sealed this material up against the wall right here, but then they failed to seal it right here. You can see the nails. So heavy rain, water can get back in here and cause significant damage. All right, and this seam right here is opening. So obviously that's going to allow water to intrude into the building materials below. Can't stress enough, don't skip the home inspection. Call us at First Class Home Inspection, 623-680-0707, firstclassHomeInspections.com, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.